Hello, welcome back to Family Investments. Say hello, everybody. Okay, go enjoy the chalk. We are at, this is the Seven Sisters near Brighton, and this is where we are. It's a bit rainy today, typical English weather on the bank holiday weekend. But hey, it's not going to stop us because we're all well dressed for it. But before I get there, I want to speak about the market. It's the stock market. It is absolutely crazy, and it's just falling very bearish after significant earnings from Nvidia, AMD, Amazon, Google. Everybody's doing well with the AI narrative, and yet things are falling. Why? Because of the increasing dollars, because of the BRICS formation potentially harming the US dollar, and also with the yields 2, 5, 10 years yield are all increasing. There's no reason to put your risk in stocks, anything else, but why don't you just put all in treasury yields? This was coming from textbooks. Economists are still struggling to understand if this is an actual risk or how are they going to cope with it. Yeah, and the thing I've never really spoken about because I've not been on YouTube for quite a bit is we have moved to London. I mean, the family moved to London shortly after we sold the house back May, June last year. I tagged along about 3 to 4 months later because I needed to find a job. So now I'm based in London and things are fresh new. It's a year and a bit for my family. It's not even a year for me. It'll be a year in September, October. So things have changed quite drastically, and that's why I got no time to do videos. But end of the day, you know, it never takes me out of the stock market. I'm still there reviewing, learning, and doing many things on a daily basis.
Daddy,
Let's go. Come. Okay. Whoa, this is pretty, Audrey. The AI, is it real? Do I believe it? If you guys have followed me for quite a while, I've always been a huge fan. I'm an engineer myself, huge fan of semiconductor chip, automation, machine learning, and things like that. And now this AI narrative comes in. To me, it's just an advancement, an additional plug-in for machine learning, more autonomous, especially language model like ChatGPT, Llama, and all things coming out lately. So it's not different, but it gives a confirmation of my thesis going forward with semiconductor. And now it's expanding. It's not just the Hopper from Nvidia. It's not just the MI300. We're talking about the bottlenecking of Marvel chips, the bottlenecking of the new memory from Hynix and also Micron. So many things are going on with this narrative, and I'm actually quite excited about the technology itself. So what do you guys think of London so far after 1 year?
it's too hot.
You like it?
Yeah, there's such
What kinds of food? You just like food, any food?
it's really big.
Well, honestly, despite the turbulence in the stock markets, we see oil rise come back down. I think we're in a far better position when we're at COVID, when oil was zero, when global trade war with America and China. I think we're in a far healthier position. Yes, macro debt is still an issue. Risks are still being unveiling. I think we're in a pretty good shape with population growing. India, Vietnam, Indonesia, all starting to grow, starting to generate productivity in the world. So for me, concentration portfolio was my strategy back then, but now I'm starting to diversify. We're seeing growth stocks, quite interesting growth stocks is going on. Companies making money. The Q2 earnings has been pretty interesting. CapEx, cash flow. Now they can reinvest. They can move on with the technology change, and with the AI narrative, it's pushing it even stronger. Less production on human and more on automation. That's really promising. This is what I saw in my university back in 2004 when I was uni, and now things are progressing way so far. So a diversified portfolio is one thing that you need to look into. You don't have to have like 50, 100 stocks, so you can just go index. But the fact that holding 10, 15 or even 3 to 4 high growth stocks potential that's making money is pretty exciting for looking forward to 2030. What are you kids doing? What have you found?
You can stop.
Chalk rocks. Ah.
You can go like that.
Oh wow, real chalk. Is that off that?
We found it on the ground.
This is called the chalk walk, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. So despite the doom and gloom, high inflation, high interest rates, like Sun Tzu said, in the midst of chaos, always seek out for the opportunities. So the 3 opportunities which I see: jobs are paying well. It's time to change job and get a higher pay. Jobs are paying so well. It's far easier to get a good job than trading, making profit every in and out. And second thing, house prices are dropping. So anybody's got cash, it's a great time to buy just now. Despite high interest rate, cash buyers are king. And number three, opportunities to start businesses. I think it's a great time with all these generative tools. You know, if I started my YouTube channel today, it'd be so much easier as a one-man band starting YouTube or any other business or trying to grow. So opportunities are all on the horizon, you see. So I think we need to keep positivity, seek out opportunities rather than follow the trend of the news, because that's what the news does. They just want to capture your attention with all this doom and gloom. So stay positive in all aspects, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna say goodbye here because we're gonna be hiking that mountain. No, that mountain up the hill and find more chalk and all kinds of more. Okay, so everyone have a good weekend and hopefully to share more videos about family, investment and everything else above. Life is busy. I don't have a YouTube studio yet, but hopefully get that set up soon. But for now, we're gonna be doing outdoors and hopefully this weekend. Okay, guys, anything else to say? Okay, bye-bye.